I want to sympathise with Deputy Collins. Dias Mirdaif agus Mila Bousas to the ruler independent group for bringing this motion for the opportunity to speak on it today. Yet again, this government is failing in the health service laid bare. Rural health services are struggling to cope, Minister, not because of the dedicated and overworked people, and we must thank them. They are struggling because the government has abandoned local health services. Chronic underfunding by successive Fine Gael and Fianna Fáil governments has decimated the number of GPs, dentists, public health nurses, occupational therapists and others, leaving people in need of these services on waiting lists or worse, unable to access the services at all. For example, in my own constituency of South Kildare, Minister, one poor woman in her 80s, the sole carer for her severely disabled son, himself in his 50s, contacted me in absolute desperation for help. And when I say I and my staff had to literally fight tooth and nail to get a hoist to help her lift him out of bed, not to mention the battle we had to get respite care to give her a break. Why? Because there was no community care available for this woman and her son, and because this government has failed to fund it, failed to plan for it and failed to deliver it. Imagine an elderly woman, Minister, at that age with no care, saving this state a fortune. It's absolutely unreal. We need more GPs in rural areas so people don't have to travel miles to get a doctor. We need more OTs in rural areas so our elderly don't have to wait for months on OT report to access vital disability aids or home adaptations. They're waiting months to have their homes adapted. What we need is we need more GPs directly employed, we need more OTs, we need more public health nurses and more dentists. The list goes on, Minister, and I'm going to finish on this. You mentioned earlier in your speech that there was an increase of 230 million or 41% when compared to 2019. Where is the value for that money? And on top of that, yesterday I had a little girl who's 12 years of age who needs to have her tonsils removed. She was told the waiting list will be 3 years, but if she can pay €1,700, she can have it done in Clane next Wednesday. That's incredible. Thank you.